In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Canva profile name. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, and you'll understand what your profile name affects across your Canva account. First, open Canva. You can do this in a web browser or in the Canva app. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to update, especially if you use more than one. A quick tip: if you're on a shared device, confirm you're in the correct profile before making any changes so the right account gets updated. Once Canva is open, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click your profile picture. On desktop, this is in the left sidebar, usually showing your avatar or initials. If you're using a smaller screen, it may appear as a small circle with your image or a placeholder icon. Clicking this opens your account menu, which is the central place for personal settings and preferences. From that menu, select Settings. This takes you to the area where you manage account details. Think of it as your control panel for profile information, preferences, and anything related to how your account appears to you and others. In the Name section, click Edit. This is where your display name lives, the name that appears on your designs, comments, shared links, and in team workspaces. It's different from things like your email address or login, and changing it won't affect your billing or your sign-in details. It's simply the label people see associated with your work. Now put in your new name. Type it exactly how you want it to appear, paying attention to capitalization and spacing. If you're using Canva for personal projects, your first and last name is usually best. If you're representing a brand or organization, use the brand name so it's instantly recognizable to collaborators and clients. Keep it professional and consistent across your projects to make sharing and attribution clearer. After you enter your new name, give it a moment. You should see the update reflected across your account. If it doesn't appear right away, a quick refresh of the page or returning to your home screen can help. In team environments, your updated name will show to teammates the next time they load their view. That's all there is to it. Open Canva, click your profile picture, go to Settings, edit your name, and enter the new one. Simple, fast, and it makes your account look exactly the way you want it to. Thanks for watching, and keep creating confidently.